Amy.
Hi.
You like
I
it?
see myself on the computer.
Yeah, that's what I told you. I actually have my own account. Okay?
Money? What you did
Drive
today.
one. No, you can't. Amy,
Hi.
do you have guess what? I have a plan to build a clubhouse for my friends and family. Oh, and only them are allowed in it.
Am I your friend?
Yeah, you're my family.
So I'm invited.
Yep.